Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews. We're here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be looking at the 2020 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer. This is the 26TH. Come on inside, we'll take a look. As you can see out here, it's a power awning, marine grade speakers with LED lighting underneath. Nice solid step. And we'll start back here. As you can see, tons of storage across the top. The nice thing about this unit is you have the toy hauler capability, but you can also put the ramp out flat. And you have the patio fencing here, so you have a nice back deck. As you can see, this couch folds up flat. You could use this either of these as a bed or a couch. And then you come around here to the kitchen. Nice big dual sinks. Tons of storage across the top. 3-burner Furrion cooktop. As you can see, flip this back as a backsplash. 3 burners here. Good sized Furrion oven. The nice thing about this is it has an igniter, so you don't have to reach your arm in there to turn on the oven. Good sized Norcold fridge and freezer, gas or electric. 2 really comfortable chairs in here, television, entertainment system. And as you come through here, the pass-through bathroom, nice big corner shower, vanity mirror with storage, more storage above the toilet. And then back here you have a walk-around bed, storage on either side, so tons and tons of storage capability. And then you have the table here on the bed, and that can be set up in the living room. If you're not using it, you can store it under the bed. Stabilizer jacks. Nice thing about this, super easy to handle. The back gate just clicks in and out. And as you come around over here, this is your exterior vent. So from the inside you can pop this so it faces this way and it brings air into the coach if you're using it as a toy hauler. Power connection, city water, fresh water, outside shower, a black tank flush, which is nice and handy for cleaning everything up. Cable satellite, all of your plugs and drops there. And then as you come around the front here, you have a power tongue jack. And then another really cool option here is the toy lock. So you can actually wrap around, people lock up the barbecues, the 4-wheelers, or whatever it is you're carrying around. And again, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you have any questions or would like to come take a look at the unit, give me a call. My number is 541-731-8583. Again, this is the Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 26TH.